starting off on our next week. This is Easter week, obviously. So if you have a look at Friday in the yellow, we'll probably shuffle that to next week. And then Sunday, gym will also be closed as well. It'll be open for Saturday, and then Monday, Tuesday, probably going to be public holidays, but you can check with Jackie on that one if you're not sure. As far as Monday, we finished up our little snatch complex. We're onto another one. We'll be progressing this one in the next couple of weeks as well. Then we'll be looking at building in like some heavier reps leading towards the end of the training block. Hopefully testing the snatch at the end. We also got a workout. Once again, very grippy. So dumbbell snatches. This is playing on with that 8 reps each side format, similar to quarterfinals. We've got some wall walks. Since we've done these. We've got some farmer's carry lunge as well. So once again, more grip intensive work. Air bike. We're looking for about 1 minute on the air bike there. And then we have some double dumbbell deadlifts. So you'll do 1 round every 5 minutes. You have 3 total sets through. So obviously all of that work there is 1 round, and you'll do that again starting on the next 5 minutes. As far as time goes, I would basically give like a minute per each round, hopefully less, so it's going to be fairly aggressive. Dumbbell snatch should take about 40 seconds if you're doing unbroken. Wall walks, this will be the one we have to scale quite a bit. Some people will go fast, some will go slow. Should take about a minute. Farmer's carry lunge, same thing, around 40 seconds to a minute. Air bike, 45 seconds to a minute. And then you'll guess what the dumbbell deadlifts are like as well. Next day, Tuesday, we've still got our back rack box step-ups. We're progressing in volume, more sets, less reps there. About 2 reps in the tank. Should be building on last week, so just get people to start at a little bit of a heavier load and progressively build, or they can just try and stay a little bit heavier than last week. The other workout we've got is some intervals, so it's only about, all up, it's about 9 minutes of work. There's some inbuilt rest as well. Got some high school gymnastics in there. We've got some barbell work, and we have some burpees over the box as well. This one should be just like a classic AMRAP, keep the intensity high for the 2 minutes, try and recover in the 1, and then you're going to pick up where you left off each interval. So if you finish on 1 round and 3 squat cleans, then you go into your next round picking up, doing the 5, and then going back through. Next day, Wednesday, we've got some more pressing, and then we've got a bit of like a long fun workout. So class, you need to run pretty snappy on this one today. Warm-up's not super long, but just make sure you're keeping things moving pretty quickly. The workout is like a bit of a spin on a workout. You've got running with weight. We have some box get-overs, no burpee, so you'll just set up some big boxes. Get people to partner up for these just because of the boxes. Make sure you use the ones out back as well if you need them. Then we have stomach carry with the D-ball, and that'll be, you do 10 meter lengths, then you do 8 10 meter lengths, 6 10 meter lengths, etc. as you go through. Should take about 18 minutes, maybe a little bit longer. As far as like the sandbag that you carry, you can go light or heavy, that's up to the athletes. You can use the power bags if you want, but I'd say it's something moderate, like I'd be recommending maybe 20 kilos for the guys, 15 for the ladies, something like that. Thursday, we've got a progression, our energy system work, so nice long day. We've got 2 different intervals to play around with. So first interval will be a 3 rounds wall ball, toes to bar, burpee. Now, if you finish that, so you have 5 minutes and a half of work. If you finish that in about, let's say 4 minutes 30, that means you're only rowing for 1 minute, okay? If you finish it in 5 minutes 15, once again, you only have 15 seconds where you'll be rowing. So it should be hard to get to the row, but it shouldn't be necessarily impossible, okay? When the 5:30 times out, then we go on to our 2 minutes 30 of rest. So you're chilling for 2:30, getting ready for the next little bit of intervals. So that will be number 2, and then your very last interval. This one, similar rep scheme, different movements. We've got American kettlebell swings, pull-ups, row. Once you finish your 3 rounds of that, let's say it takes you, 2 minutes 30, you're moving. Then in the time remaining for the next 3 minutes, you're doing a burpees over the row. Okay, and then once again we rest, go back to the third interval, which will be this one. We rest, and then we go back to the fourth one, which is this one. Last one, obviously Good Friday off. For Saturday, we'll have a bit of a partner workout. One person will work, one person will rest. Fairly fast turnover, decent amount of rest, but intensity should be high. We have air bike. It's just a 3-minute AMRAP. Air bike, 1 round of DT. So DT being at the bottom here, your 12 deadlift, 9 hang power clean, 6 shoulder overhead. Then we have 50 double unders. Okay. Once you've done that, if you can get more than 1 round, I'll be impressed. The bike there is like kind of like that aggressive buy-in. See how you go in DT, double unders, just to break up the movement a little bit. Once the 3 minutes is done, your partner is going to start from the start. So they'll start on the air bike with their 15 cows. They go through blah, blah, blah. On the last one, I want everyone, unfortunately, basically you pick the fitter person will go afterwards, and they only get 2 minutes rest going into this next part, unfortunately. So if they finish off that last 3 minutes, other person's been resting for 3 minutes, they go straight into this, which is the 2 minutes, and then the fitter partner obviously gets a 1 minute less rest, unfortunately. Then we got 2 minutes on, 2 minutes off, so 2 minutes of work for one partner, 2 minutes of rest for the other one, 10/8 cal ski, front rack lunge, and then sit-ups. Pretty straightforward. Sweet. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy.